In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a visual timeline slide in PowerPoint. And generally, whenever we have been told to make a timeline slide, a company timeline slide, we generally create a slide like this where we'll put the year with some different colors or the same color, and then we will add the text. So instead of creating this boring timeline slide, why can't we do something more creative and innovative? So let me just show you how I converted this particular slide into more creative one. So when I click, you can see here I have added a image of a person holding the hand like this and showing the hand like this, and then I have added the year here 1995, and then you can add some more detailed text. You've got more space to write the information, and some icon I have added here. And when I click it, the year moves to the next year, which is the 2000, and then the information changes at the top. So you can see here, now this is for the 2000. It has changed to the black color, and then it has changed to 2004, and I've added more different icons here, and then it changes to 2009, and you can see here how I'm changing the background colors. So this way you can see how I have converted the normal boring timeline slide to the more engaging and more interactive one. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link. And if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 version to do this, and I have used Morph Transition. And if you are using the older version like 2007 or 2010, then these features may not be available. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, maybe this much size, and later on we can change it. Right mouse click, go to Format Shape, and under Fill, I'm going to select Picture or Texture Fill. You can see here, and click on Insert. So you can insert any picture or a photo from your local PC, or you can use it the online pictures. So I'm going to use the online pictures here, and I'm going to select the picture which is required for my particular slide. So I'm going to type businessman holding hand, and this will give me a variety of different images. So for me, this is the image which I required. So I'm going to select this one, click on Insert, and then it will insert the image here. Can you see this one? And the shape outline, I'll make it no outline, and then I'm going to put it here and increase the size like this. All right, if you want, you can further increase the size depending on your requirement. So once this is done, I'm going to add the years and the other information. The next thing is you can add some good background colors here. So if you want, you can add one rectangle, add the rectangle, and then you can change the color, or you can just change the color for full slide also, so depending on your requirement. So maybe I'm just going to choose this color. You can see here I've just selected this color, and then I'm going to add one rectangle at the bottom here to give a different contrasting color. So let me just remove the outline, and then you can see here I can give any color of my choice. So whichever color which you feel better, you can just add that one. And then I'm going to add the years. For that, go to Insert, Text Box. So depending on your requirement, how many years you would like to add, you can add it. For example, I'm going to start with 1995. Give a space, a piping symbol, and then I'm going to say 2000, again space, a piping symbol. If you don't want to give this pipe symbol, it's up to you. So then 2005, then 2010, 2015, and 2022, I will say. Okay, and then this one I'm going to make it a white font, and I'm going to make it as Open Sans or any other font of your choice. You can make it bold, increase the size here. All right, and then let me just zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to place it here. Actually, it should come here, and with that animation it has to come here. So I'm going to move this out of the slide area, and then I'm going to add the animation here. So let me just close this one, go to the animations, add animation. You can see here when I go scroll down, you can see the motion path. I can select this one line, or you can go to the more motion path also. So it's easy for me to click on the line. The thing is, it goes down. Actually, you can see here this arrow goes down, so I'm just going to drag this one and it should come and stop it here. All right, exactly here. See here, like this, and then that's it. So now let me just enable the animation pane, double click this one, remove the smooth start smooth end, and timings, maybe I need very fast or fast. Click OK. So it comes something like this and it stops here. All right, and then what I'm going to do is, let me just go to insert shapes, select one rectangle, draw a rectangle here like this, close this one, right mouse click, go to format shape, and I'm going to make it no outline, and here I'm going to select a gradient fill. So select the gradient fill, and by default 4 stops are there, so I'm going to delete 2 stops, and the first stop I'm going to select the white, and select the second one also. I'm going to select the white, but I'm going to make it somewhat transparent here, so it looks like this. Or if you want the transparent on the top side, so I'm going to select this one and I'm going to make it transparent here. So whichever way you feel. Okay, let me just zoom in and put it exactly here, and if you want, you can just send this back of the hand also like this. You can see here. Then what happens here, for example, if I play, it comes like this. All right, so it is not visible. So if you want, you can just change the color of this year only, 1995, to maybe a black or any other color of your choice. So if I play now, you can see here it is visible now, the 1995. Let me just move this one. See, I cannot select because here the system is not allowing me to select, because it is gone beyond this the back side of this image, for example. So for this, let me just crop this one so that I can, let me just crop it properly, yeah, till here, and this also I'm going to crop it. So now I can able to select this, and then this one also I'm going to make it more transparent, 100%. All right, and then this animation I'm going to add it. So for that, go to the animations, add animation. I can select, go to more entrance effects, maybe stretch, click OK, and effect options, say from the bottom like this. Enable the animation pane, and this one actually should come first, and then this animation. All right, so this animation, double click this one, timings, very fast, or if you want, you can make it more faster by making 0.3 seconds. It comes like this, and then this should happen after previous. All right, so now if I play, when I click, it comes like this. You can see here. All right, so once the year comes, you can add any text of your choice at the top or at the bottom or wherever you feel comfortable. So go to insert text box, and I'm going to type equals LOREM within bracket 1, and maybe I'm going to choose a white font, center align, and I'm going to put it here. And for this also, I'm going to add the animation, add animation. I'm going to say fly in should come from top, and that should happen after previous or with previous, whichever way you feel. So if I click, it comes like this. You can see here. And then if you want, you can add more images. For example, I want some image here or something, or some icon also I can add it, and maybe some different color I'm going to give, shape outline, no outline, just for the, you know, I'm giving a hint only what you can do with that one. And for this also, you can add the same animation. Go to the animations, click on the animation painter and click it here, and maybe it should happen with from left, and this should happen with previous, like this. So you can see here it comes like that. So this is the very first slide for the year 1995. Now to go to the next year, we need to add more slides below. So I'm going to select this slide, right mouse click, duplicate the slide, you can see here, and I'm going to remove all the animations here. I don't want the animations now. All right, and this one I'm going to drag it here till it should be in 2000. All right, and then this 1995 I'm going to make it a white color, and now 2000 I'm going to change the color to black or any other color of your choice. And let me just remove this one, and this one I would like to put the text here and change it to justify. All right, and then I'm going to add 2 or 3 oval shapes, small oval shapes, and then I'm going to add some few images here. All right, or I'm going to give some different color combinations. Maybe you can see here I'm going to give some different color combinations. You can add anything of your choice here, shape outline, no outline. And then for the background color, let me just close this, go to format background, and I'm going to give a different color here, maybe a purple, and this color could be a orange. All right, and then for this, go to the transition tab and click on the morph. All right, so it comes something like this, and this morph transition you need to reduce the duration. Maybe you can make it 1 second. Now if I play, you can see here it comes the 1995, the text, the information comes here, and when I click, you can see here the year comes 2000 in the black, the 1995 becomes white from black, and then you can add any text here or any image of your choice. The same thing, you need to just do it again, duplicate the slide again, depending on your requirement. I'm going to change the color to some other color, maybe red color, you can see here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the year 2005. All right, and this one white I'm going to make it, and this one I'm going to make it black. All right, and here this I'm going to maybe reducing the size, you can see here, and I'm going to put it here like this. All right, so now let me just play again. When I click, it comes 1995, then 2000, then 2005. Like that you can do for the rest of the slides or rest of the years.